Hello, my name is Duane Johnson. It is April 15th, 2018. This is my lab video on the digestive system for BIO240. We are going to start with the pathway of food throughout the digestive system. First, we have the mouth, the oral cavity where digestion begins. It has 3 salivary glands, the parotid, the submandibular, and the sublingual. It also has accessory parts, the teeth and tongue, which provide morcellation and movement of the food, and it also has a little bit of enzymatic breakdown as well. So the food gets chewed up, morcellated within the mouth, the oral cavity, and it travels down the esophagus, where it goes to the stomach, where the stomach lies between the cardiac sphincter and the pyloric sphincter. This is where peristalsis occurs down the esophagus with the food, and it receives the food or bolus, and it releases it as chyme eventually. The stomach provides further mechanical digestion on top of enzymatic digestion, where there's about 32 to 35 million gastric digestion pits in the mucus lining. It also has the enzymes pepsin, lipase, and renin, which are responsible for digesting protein, lipids, fats, and also carbohydrates. So from there, the food travels from the stomach through the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine, into the duodenum. This is responsible for the majority of nutrient absorption, about 85%. And no digestion or absorption occurs after the small intestine. Also, the small intestine lies between the pyloric sphincter and the ileocecal valves. The small intestine is also comprised of the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. It is the largest part of the digestive system or digestive tract, and it receives food in the form of chyme, and it releases food in the form of a watery stool, where it travels to the large intestine, which is about the last part of the digestive tract. And also within the small intestine, you have the appendix right here as well. Then we go over here to the large intestine, or the colon. We start here at the cecum, to the ascending colon, transverse colon, where the stool is less watery, right about here, and into the descending colon, sigmoid colon, where it travels to the rectum, and then finally the anus, where it's eventually expulsed or expelled. The large intestine or colon lies between the ileocecal valve and the anal sphincter. It does not produce any digestive enzymes, only mucus, and the mucus is responsible for transportation, lubrication, and eventually expulsion. So, and then our cheeseburger goes all the way through here. It's less watery, it has stool, it is considered the stool, and it's finally expelled through the anus. Thank you.